Hi everybody! I would like to welcome you to this week of Stacy's Crazies. And I would like to start off with a famous quote. FDR once said, "There is nothing to fear but fear itself." And no offense to FDR, because I know he was a very wise man, but if you deal with fear, that's completely not true. You can turn any situation into like a fear fest. So I thought it would be fun and entertaining today to show you how my brain works. It's a little scary, a little wild, but I hope you get something out of it, or you can relate, or at least just be entertained. Okay, so how this is gonna work is I'm gonna give you a situation, and then I'm gonna show you the spiraling path my mind took after the situation. I walked outside and there was a random dead bird laying right outside of my front door on my front porch. I don't know how it got there. I think it's a little odd. However, I didn't get close enough to inspect it because I think it was disgusting. So here's where my mind took this. Do birds carry rabies? Do dead birds carry rabies? If they don't carry rabies, then what diseases do they carry? How did this bird get here? What left the dead bird on my porch? Was it a predator? Was it a coyote? Would a coyote steal one of my children? What diseases do coyotes carry? Oh my goodness, I've heard before that if you see a coyote, you should wave your arms wildly to try to scare it away. I should teach my children to wave wildly to scare away coyotes. What if they get the bird flu from this bird? I mean, it's called the bird flu. I mean, it just makes sense that birds would carry it. Speaking of birds, can you get the bird flu from like chicken? Can you go to KFC and just get the bird flu? Why don't they warn us about these things? And then my brain caught up to itself and I realized I was insane and I forgot about the dead bird. So I hope you all have enjoyed hearing how my brain runs wild and goes completely out of control. You know, I have dealt with fear so much, and at different points of my life, it's literally been debilitating. But through the grace of God, now I can at least take hold of it and find it a little bit funny. So if you deal with fear out there, I totally understand, and I'm right there with you. I hope you got something out of it today, or at least just got a laugh. See you next week. Bye.